DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
DJ ATV.
The crowd heavy well. But when we can't go Osho Baba place for Auchi, the crowd go too plenty. So I call the say how we go do am. Osho not talk pass me. Why the crowd go tall like this? So when I go come to Bobaka just now, because he say my height yes it dey increase. My deputy, I go introduce her. Wait now. Peace say una know am. Him and comrade come from the same local government. So he come ask me, he say this crowd here plenty o. He say this one and Esako West, Auchi, which one plenty pass? He gonna hard me to give am answer. But I want to answer him now. My Bobaka plenty pass. No be say I dey by house o. Wetin I go talk say who come and go gree. How cheap people wey come there plenty well, but we not see their voters card. For this place, not the only one una plenty, we see una voter card. This crowd wey we see so, na voters be this so. And if this number come out on that day, on perfect day we get one. Then another one I can't do what they not do for Auchi. Hey, that next card go na big one. Wait, thank you. With this red card, make us sing this song. Oh, here, oh. Oh, here, oh. Oh, here, oh. Oh, So, Bobaka, you are number one. You are number one. So far away from, we never do any of our own. So, thank God say I don't see what you will do. I go tell them tomorrow when I go there, this red card. When I bring voters card. When I bring voters card. Well, the people plenty. People plenty. My only consolation is say, if Bobaka only one pledge well. If you are from Oyamo and you are here, can you raise your hand and give your brother? First, let me introduce, by the grace of God, the man that will be the next deputy governor of our state. This is somebody that respects his seniors. This is somebody that is peaceful, not violent. This is somebody that is well brought up. Permit me to introduce Malam Gani Audu. I make our talk some few things. And they contest under APC for governor. God will not persecute. They contest under PDP. He don't be governor now for 4 years. Before him, Oshomole did it. Oshomole come just now, see all of you, they shout, they praise the Lord. Our Yoruba brothers plenty for here. Our Yoruba brothers plenty for here. Say Buhari. Say Buhari. Say Baba. Now God will bless you. Now God will bless you. The new government will be get now. The new government. Hey. Now, una praise this man, una welcome him because he do well as governor. If he don't do well, fear no go allow come here. And if he come here, no trouble he go make. Now Obaseki, where he say, I beg, wait. I want to ask you now. I know say na 10 words na I take Obaka. I also know say after Oredo, the local government will get the highest number of votes like Obaka. I want to ask you now. What did Obaka do for Obaka? What did he do for Obaka? For the 10 words, what did he do? Now, you get one man wey talk just now. I bet Chief come. Chief Victor Egato, na chief for palace. When comrades put out for oil and gas commission, una see what he do for this area. This man try, he no try. He try, he no try. Now the work wey he do, now Oba see am, he say come. I go honor you, come become chief. Not be everybody be chief. When I know him before now, Mr. Victor Ekato. But because of the work, now Chief Victor Ekato is doing. Now we know say Ikpobawaka na oil producing local government. One of the reasons why I don't say they get money na Ikpobawaka. The oil wey dey for this Ikpobawaka. Now they bring money come in those states. And we get what they call NDDC. You know? Yes. Now, our papa here, he was chairman of APC. He can't use the influence. He can't be president. He said president. Edo State, they produce oil. Edo State, they NDDC. But Edo State, they never ever give them any major provision for NDDC. I beg, do one for me. Do one for the Oba. Do one for Ikobawaka. Do one for Edo South. Give chairman of NDDC. Give them to Edo South. Give them, taking another member. My president say, okay, you try well for me. Now you help me campaign for my election where I win. Because of you and the Oba of Benin. Wait, he said because of you and the Oba of Benin. Waiting never happened before we go to war. So, say make you go bring person. Now Shomole can go bring Chief Victor Ekato from Ikobawaka. Then for my own local government, you know when they also produce oil, no Yomo. He can produce Dr. Pius Ududu as chairman. Him as member. Everybody can be happy. Because the president say approved. They go Senate. Senate say approved. Oba can write letter of thank you. Oba na gbebe. Oba will not give the president. Why we say Ukome? Oba na Oba. He carried the letter, go give president. He said the Oba is happy. Orionwa is happy. Obawaka is happy. And Edo South is happy. We don't know say Obaseki not happy. Obaseki say why? He said why should they give Orionwa and Obawaka that position? He said why? He don't even fear. Say Oba, don't write letter. Say thank you.
You don't get a bet.
He write letter. He can't dey protest. He can't go court. You know what the penalty pass? He tell court say that chairman position say not before Edo. He said that position say not for Delta. The man not be governor of Delta o. Now governor of Edo. But he write, he go court. He said the position of chairman not before Edo. He said that for Delta. Play. They're not going to allow the thing again because of the court case. Today, they get interim committee for NDDC. Edo not dey inside. Other areas, they enjoy Christmas. Because their members dey the interim committee. Ikobawaka no enjoy anything. Oriomo no enjoy anything. Now first the way you do that one. Then one come ask Ikobawaka say he wan be governor. Then one other be governor. When that card wanna be bring out before, when that card. What's your bastard? That is wickedness. Wickedness. Let me give you another example. Una see the government boss. Look, I'll tell you what. He look up. He said number one. He not happy saying a comment and the right for the boss. Now they come tell us, okay sir. Since you don't like comrade boss, make you call him a Obaseki boss. He said, but if they see the boss, they will see the call him comrade boss. Now they come say, Oga, what you go do now? He said the best thing, make we stop the boss. Make the boss don't come out again. Una see the comrade boss? Una see the comrade boss? Not be wickedness be that. Not be wickedness be that. Now wait. Una no say. Una no say. Kiosa, you're not too far from here. The market born. The governor go there. He said he go give them 100 million. The market women see the money. They see the money. That's the way it go feel a lie. For our mothers, our mama. And that kind of person that we want vote for. You know, 4 years ago when I was a contest, the person wey wahala me no be Obaseki o. Na Oshiomhole na wahala me. Na Oshiomhole wahala me. Na wahala me o. Before I talk one thing, you go talk 10. Obaseki just keep quiet. Now, you go expect say person wey God use can put you for office and this people dey respect am. And they watch for TV. Obaseki say Oshiomhole cannot enter Edo State without permission. Una hear nothing? Una hear nothing? You know, may I tell you the truth. When I remember the man, I go begin to cry. When I remember Obaseki, water run away my eyes. When I remember Obaseki, water run away my eyes. But I say, come the day here today. I just give this one small example because I want to ask una whether una want to continue with that kind of person. Listen. Somebody tell me say people wey dey on fire church. They say that they happy with the governor because he wan put industrial park there. He called the vice president. Say they come do the groundbreaking. He said 6 months, the thing will be ready. The Chinese company collect 3.3 billion. 6 months don't pass. The industrial park don't take off. Industrial park don't take off. All na story. All na lie. I say all na lie. He mention say he wan give 200,000 jobs. Now, if you wan give 200,000 jobs, wait. You go expect say over 200 go back and they go gain well. Because they get the number. They plenty well. But even if you want to share them equally, know how we go back and we go get 10,000. Because 10,000 times 18 and 180. Out of that 200,000 job, una way come go back and this one are many well for you. How many of you are about to employ? How many of you are about to employ? If I want to employ, now doing it, people are raise your hand. So nobody. So the question is say, why the man want continue? Why he want continue? I just can't tell you now. Say, me no be Obaseki. Me na Iseyamu. And me no be PDP. Me na APC. Obaseki no get agenda. Me I get agenda. I no agenda like this. Simple. By the grace of God, everything we are right here, we go do them. You know why? Obaseki pretends. They was pretending though. Because the day when they talk say, Oshiomhole no go fit enter Benin without information. Somebody see him. He said this man sabi talk. He said today election we didn't sabi talk. But the reason why he not talk that time is say he no wan promise anything. because you don't want to do anything. Now when I tell her, say, I get the agenda, where you own? Now I finally go bring one thing. He said, now mega. I said, the mega mean, make a joke great again. That means the man realized, say, the past 4 years, I bring a joke down. He bring a joke down. Oh, that man don't matter, go to Muyemania. You don't kill, I don't finish. There is no saying, make a joke great again. Edo will be great again, but Balaki will not be governor. Or Balaki will not be governor. Now, this simple agenda, they can summarize and cook it. Because we should speak, one speak. Now listen. The X. When I allow me talk. Before I talk, I go. Security. Security be like. Aye, now wait. Now wait. More power development. Now wait. No put for this local government. Now wait. To talk again now. I can see everything. Everything. We can see everything. Turning around. I talk with our word, the only one will talk, we say, happy as una carry una PVC. I beg you, not allow PDP still up. I beg keep on well. And I want beg you now. Make una win the 10 words. This one, make una win all the units. If una do so, Pastor Ezra Yamu the owner. And the owner. And by the grace of God, una go see the change. If Papa cannot feel the work, only come from the chop. Things will change for the better. So now you're going to put your hands together for Ocean Quick.
Follow me, sing. Oh yeah, give Baba your own mic. Gele gele oh, gele oh. Alakode, yarate rata oh. Wana me dofi wariya oh. Gele gele. Ginger, Osho Ripiera, Osho Molo, Pastor Isayamo, Kevegania Udo, Wado Yayo. Kedede, Kibiaka, Kasarigba Mao. Let me hear you.
Yeah, I hear two names now. Ojo Baba and Ojo YouTube. They say YouTube equals good somehow. Thank you very much. But let me say, let me join the incoming governor. Incoming deputy governor. A man of God. And of course, a madam who are coming with the power of the Holy Spirit to clean away all the impurities that Obaseki has thrown around Osadebe Avenue. When they finish the cleansing by 11th, on the 12th, we will sweep. And by 13th, our executive governor and deputy governor, their excellencies will be seated. When that is done, I think I have served, I have repaired the mistake that I made. Never be ashamed when you make error of judgment. Because only God is perfect. Take your eye, look up.
We are forgiving.
If somebody do apprentice with you for 8 years, everywhere you go, he follow you. You show him this, you show him that. You are living. Would you believe he will continue from where you stop? That was why the central campaign in 2016 was continuity. Not continuity just by name, or building more schools, more roads, more nursing schools, more employment, more erosion control, and so on and so forth. In this local government, somebody just tried to write this for me. There is no need to leave the roads because you drive on those roads. We build many roads in the Kobalka. We build many schools in the Kobalka. And the other day I was passing through Ramat Park, where we have had a rally once or twice, and the place is overgrown, not even to maintain it. So, I know that anybody who you have done good to, and he repay you with evil, God cannot uphold him. Because each and every one of you here, with the power of your ballot, equipped by your PVC, many of you voted for Obaseki.
Yes.
Hereafter, I was paid here because of me. That is why I said I can't deny my yesterday, but I can change my tomorrow. I can't deny my yesterday, but I can change my tomorrow. Working with you. At the starting point, according to my own religious doctrine, as a Catholic, you must first confess to a priest that you have sinned, and ask the priest to intercede and ask God for forgiveness. And then you must promise never to repeat the sin again. If you repeat the sin again, then you are your own. So, having confessed that Obaseki was a mistake, it was a mistake in every material particular. Character, humility, responsibility, development, infrastructure, empowerment, human welfare, not FFF. You know, you are quite many here, but you will agree that there are many more Ikobaga people who are at home. And when you go home, they are going to ask you what did they do. And so you go say, let me imagine what you are going to say. You go say, you see what tall man. This one, he tell pass come well. But when come with one parasite, you will call job, make come look as if you too tall like that. Yo, now pastor. Then there's another one where you get open teeth.
That's my teeth.
That one, the malam.
That's my teeth.
You go do your shift for government house. Then will not be there the same. Then the former one, where would they say, Osho Baba? As it's small, when he reach, now so it's still small. And I go take that one. They will say, okay, when did they talk? Now, if you not be tell them what did they talk, that is not fair enough. That is why I want you to listen. First, you have heard our pastor, without looking paper to paper, he has explained his simple agenda. Now I know the difference, and you should know the difference. This time, Pastor writes his question, his answers to the questions. Last time I was the one giving the answers, and the Ambassador pretended he didn't know how to talk.
Don't do.
But as Pastor said, he didn't want anything to be held up to him. When I was talking of IMAC, you were looking at MOUs. So, having confessed that I made a mistake, I misled some of you. I have a duty, without being ashamed, to say, yes, it was a mistake, but I am not God. Now here in Ikobaga, I want you to listen. While I was governor here, we set up the Chinese Steel Company, where they are using scraps to make iron rod, which is used for building and other construction jobs. Did we do MOU? No! Here in Ikobaga, there is a ceramic factory that produced the ceramic. It was set up when I was governor. And all the schools we built, the ceramic tiles were from that factory. Did we do MOU? No! There is a glass factory where they are making glasses, which we are using for the casement windows in our public schools. Did we do MOU? No! Then suddenly. Contrary to our preaching of IMAC, we begin to do MOU for Gelegele Port. Have you seen the port? No! MOU for Industrial Park. Have you seen it? No! Okay, he said we will be refining petrol through modular refinery. And it is commissioned by November 2018. We are now in 2020. Have you seen any module? When a man can lie like that, he even lied to the Oba. Because listen, the man wait for prayer. According to him, the people, how you do say forget? No, never forget. Don't say forget. Don't say forget. If you say forget, you are excusing him. He meant to show disrespect. How can he forget? How come he forget Kola? But the dog, they don't forget guns. Have you heard where somebody got a gun and shoot around the palace before? No! Only Captain Philip did that. We are told in history. And one of us in history. Otherwise, that is the height of disrespect. But let me just round up. We agree that Benin City, which is mainly within the city, Ikobaga, Oredo, and Ego, is like the living room of the Edo family house. We must beautify it, we must reclaim it, we must clean up the erosion so that the old beauty of Benin can be restored as the great Benin Kingdom. And we said, any road we are going to build must have sidewalks and drainage. As opposed to keep building 1 kilometer of road with sidewalks and drainage. We also said in the 21st century, you cannot ask other people to go and sleep at night 7 p.m. So we have to have street lights. We put street lights in all the roads we did. The only one we could not put the street light before my tenure ended was second circular. But we completed that road. Now what pains me is that today, in the night, all those street lights are off. When I arrest them, I saw that they put a light on the Sapele Road. You look at the hospital. How many of you have been able to enter? Even in this season of COVID-19, he gave the hospital to a private consultant who is not from Edo State. But the money with which we build the hospital is from youth, from women, from elders, from artisans, from mechanics, from bricklayers, and all. And about the king of kingdom. So when you talk of a dark heart, and I mean dark heart, my skin is dark, but the Maseki's heart is darker than my skin. So, like I said, we cannot change yesterday, but we can learn from yesterday so that we don't allow history to repeat itself. And that is why I said, hold on for me. I can see God will give me the vision to talk to my people. I think listening to Pastor, he has lived in this state. He did not come from Lagos. There is no local government where he cannot pick a phone call and say, Mr. X, Chief Y, he knows everybody, he knows every local government. Yes. This one who is from Ojuelegba, we cannot wait to send him back to You know, please listen. This is important to me. I'm very encouraged, Pastor. You may not know what it means to us. When you acknowledge the effort of Osarobo, you know why I celebrate it? They say injury to one is injury to all. People like Osarobo, Obaseki on television, national television, says they are miscreants. Miscreants. Anybody who called any of you miscreant, he is a miscreant. Because the Bible says a man shall not live on bread alone. I will not do further because Pastor is here. But what we need is not just food. We also need respect.
Of course, yes.
Somebody to appreciate that you may be here, I may be here, but we are both creation of God. Of course, yes. The fact that you have a car, I don't have a car, does not make you superior to me. The fact that you have a degree, I do not have a degree, does not mean I am less human. So when the Malaki described Edo youth as miscreants, I say, God, these people he called miscreants, with their PVC, they elevated him from a fair stockbroker to a governor. By the same PVC, they will return him back to Lagos. Let him go and compete in a free market. You have seen, and listen to this. Where Obaseki is sleeping now is a house he bought. And for those who know, please listen.
Listen so that I can talk about you.
That house, that land, was part of government land. Where the deputy governor built his house was part of the golf course. Then this governor went to the house of an Edo man, the hotel built by an Edo man. The Edo man mobilized youth like this. He sat there, he drank wine, he ate food. He worked for him to become governor. Few years later, he said the man is not persecuting him, he will destroy him, he will run him out of town. The man went to court and asked the court to interpret whether he had done wrong by building a hotel in his own state, in his own city, in his own place of origin, to create jobs for other people. The judgment was to be delivered on a Friday. Are you listening? On a Wednesday, Obaseki says he will not listen to the court. He carried bulldozers and demolished a 32-room hotel built by an Edo man in the heart of Benin. Does that government want the prosperity of Benin people? Does he want prosperity of Western people? In fact, does he want prosperity of Edo people? I watched him on television. He was addressing some retired professors, trying to whip up sentiment. And he said to them, you are professors, what do you have? Look at people who are not degree holders, who are not whatever. They have hotels. Are we going to accept a state where people who are not degree holders, they are the owners of hotels? Now you can see Obaseki poor knowledge of history. God give everybody different gifts. The richest man in the world is not a graduate. Bill Gates, the one that founded Microsoft, he left the school and started engaging his brain. That is how Microsoft started. The owner of Facebook is not a professor. So Obaseki himself, who failed secondary school, didn't get it. Not religious studies, so Bible knowledge. There's a difference between religious studies and Bible knowledge. Because religious studies say you must know everything. History. I know the history in land. How Mogo Park discovered River Niger. That is when he passed on. And geography. That the door is part of Big West. And that is the man who is talking as if he's an intellect. But by his performance and his activities, you know that this is a brain death. But today, I haven't come to lament all of that. It is just to remind you that he who says, who are we? God will reply him on our behalf. That he created us for his purpose. If some are rich, some are poor, it is the result of history. Of Governor, by the special grace of God, Governor Ije Yami, every assisted by Malam Gani Yami, they will turn the situation around today. I can see everything turning around, everything turning around, everything turning around. No, Ayazu. Ina so gaishe ku mutane Arewa. Mata Arewa. Yiti Arewa. Yuti na Arewa. Na gaishe ku. Ana edo. Tuka mutane. Babu de wenge de gadane. dukamu ikana na edo keda edoni ebe ni kana so kayi Allah wani Allah ya yada daga ishi daga zaruwa mara ujeshi pastor Valencia mana kuwa abinda ya ce zai yi Allah ya da zai yi saboda mutum da yana ci so ba da mu yi kuskure wanda shekara hudu da ya wuce amma yanzu Allah ya da za mu gyara yóò mú ọbẹ̀ gbogbo yìí o yóò bínú sí wa o ìkọjá ṣe ó jẹ́ pé ahmed mistake ahmed correct yẹ so ẹ má bínú ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ gbogbo yìí yóò tó fún pásọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ìyàmù lẹ́bàá ti ṣe tán ó máa bá ṣe gbogbo ìṣẹ́jú tó kù ọlọ́pàá bá ń ṣe o ọlọ́pàá tó kú yẹ o. Thank you very much. Osho Ginger.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.